Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Instagram avatar. So in the previous video that I did on the channel, you can see how you create an Instagram avatar, but now you need to use this in everyday situations. So you can do various things such as use it in Instagram stories and set it as your profile picture. So I'll show you that. So if you haven't created your avatar just yet, go to your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right, then tap on settings, then tap on account, and then you'll see the avatar option over here. So if you haven't created it, it's going to ask you to get started. If you have, you can edit it and everything like that. So I'm just going to go back. And if I want to, for an example, use my avatar as my profile icon, what I can do is I can tap on edit profile. Then it says change profile photo at the top. And then you'll notice an option right at the bottom here. It says use avatar. So if I tap on use avatar, you can select various different poses of your avatar to be able to use in your Instagram profile picture. So I kind of like that one. You can go ahead now and change the background of the avatar. So let me choose this one right here. I kind of like the blue one. That's pretty cool. Or this green one. So once you've done that, just tap on the tick mark at the top right hand corner, and then that'll just go ahead and load up for a moment. Once it's successfully done, you can see now my profile picture has been changed to my Instagram avatar. And then if you want to use it in an Instagram story, you can go back, just tap on your profile icon there at the top right, top left. And then if I just create a simple story real quick, so let me just record something. I'm just going to record something real short for this video to show you as an example. So I'll let go now. Then it says here, find your avatar stickers. So tap on the stickers option, and then you'll see the option right here that says avatar. So I can tap on that and you can see all the different stickers related to your avatar, which is pretty cool. You can include these into your Instagram stories and everything like that. So that's how to use the Instagram avatar. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.